was listening to Homeboy, what he said last, the global currency. He said, but that's all he was focusing on. I just wanted to ask him, like, are you sure that's all you focusing on? Because you gotta do more than one thing now.
No, but he's everywhere. Like,
I'm not down with that.
Whatever he's doing. And also Rocha, it's not like we just met. It's not like we just met each other and we just did the show. We actually sat down before this and had a whole conversation. Like, you know, he's a good.
He does this all by himself too.
Yeah, he does. And I respect the genius in that. Just like mass producer people like Tyler Perry. Yeah. He's a producer, the writer. He's fucking Medea, Joe, but
to put all that on, you gotta have a strong team. You only good as your team.
Yeah, you only as strong as your weakest link is too.
Exactly, and he's moving by himself. So imagine when he gets that team around him, if he doesn't have it already. He's already out here. I'm telling you, I've seen it everywhere. Lucy spots, liquor stores, train stations, female refrigerators that I be fucking. Everywhere I see these motherfucking stickers. So by the time you get to see the brand, you already familiar with it.
And you wanted to see even excel further. Like, everybody that been on my show, from down to the artists and even the business owners, like,
everybody eats, B. Everybody eats.